I keep wanting to put my hands in a pocket, but the pocket does not exist. We're back with another rapid fire haul, and I'm showing you some items that I just got, but I also want to show you how I styled them. So let's go. Okay, first things first is this Stella McCartney shirt. I got it during the Stella McCartney H&M drop. Child, I don't even feel like getting into the drama of that, but I want to try it on with this dress. However, I'm 2 sizes bigger than when I first got the dress. Hold on. Okay, I just felt like this needed a little bit of whimsy, but this dress that is a skirt now, vault label bag, and the leather is just so soft. This shirt needed some whimsy, so I decided to just put a whole peacock on my shoulder. This is not the Amazon one. This one's from Etsy. Support small businesses. Okay, so I thought this was really cute. Speaking of small businesses, when I want to feel my riches, we're going with Milan. Oh! Yeah, now I absolutely would like half tuck this. This is so cute. Love it, love it, love it. Really good. I feel like this was kind of inspired by Janae. She has a Zimmerman skirt. I don't know where this dress is from. I can't remember. Patent Bow, or maybe it was a dupe. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? But the bag is just so soft. Oh, I just feel so rich. This is so cute. I likely would actually wear this with a much higher heel. I didn't bring none of them down here, so this is what you get. Again, we need to cinch this shirt. Yeah, I would absolutely have to like get the skirt to get the cinch the shirt somehow to get it up here like a little high-low. It could even be all the way tucked. Oh, you can see my panty. Now I would roll my sleeves up just to give it even more shape. But see, whenever I do this, it just takes me all the way back to high school. Like when I used to roll up the polo sleeves of my uniform shirt. It's just so crazy. I look like I've been working on the railroad. Anyway, such a vibe, so cute. Of course, gotta make sure I give this some structure, you know? Okay, same top, but get into these little leggings. They are so stinking cute. Like with a good heel. Yeah, how cute are these? Ooh. Now, I know I bought some shirt cinchers around here somewhere. I just can't tell you where they are. However, get into, okay? Yeah, this is a vibe. Love, love, love with a cute heel. This would be so adorable. And I think I'd do these sunglasses for interest. I need a good heel. Good heel. Oh, it's giving like Betty Boop, but it's also so relaxed. Same bag, or I'd do my classic Chanel flat because I just feel like it's giving Betty Boop, Fran Drescher. I don't know that lady's name, but you know who I'm talking about. Also, it's giving like Kelly Bundy, you know, yeah. And these leggings are from Naked Wardrobe. I think they are just so cutesy because I will be living in a capri legging all summer because I don't like shorts. So these are my shorts, but these are so cutesy. It's like the elevated version, got them from Naked Wardrobe. And then they also sent me a second pair. I just feel like I can't get the full effect without a heel, but I'm not going upstairs. No, I'm not. Okay, now next up are these like skirted trousers that I got from H&M. I think they are fabulous, honey. I think they are fabulous. H&M has not been playing with us lately. I think these pants are just fabulous, honey. It's giving me none but like runway nun. Like, you know, holy oil nun, like runway nun. That's what it's giving me. I love this. So I paired it with a like blousey satin halter top that I got from Zara. I have a few of these. This is actually one of my favorite type of tops to wear in warmer weather. Now that I think about it, this might be a little too much material for the pants. To be very honest, I would even wear these pants with a regular racer back tank, honey. I'm just gonna add my sunglasses, Milan sunglasses again. It's giving rich, it's giving bougie, it's giving I love this. People want to look at me and be like, she got money. This is my richest auntie outfit. I love this because yes, black trouser, but with the skirt on top. I don't know what my obsession is with having a skirt over top of my pants, but I love it. I love it here. I love it here. Let's get it back. I know I'm moving really, really fast, but the kids will be home soon. So it's like not rapid fire by accident. Like we really gotta move. Love this, love it. I also can't really see myself because these sunglasses are very dark, very dark. This is so good. Same vault label bag. The leather one, this is just so good. It's my first time wearing it. I really want to put my hands in my pockets. Can I? Yes, I can. Oh, love it. I honestly would just wear a basic kitten thong sandal with this, to be honest. Now these pants are giving none, but runway none. You better strut none, okay? I don't know what my obsession is with having a skirt over top of my pants, but I like it. I really like it, and you should try it. It's just giving elevation, if you know what I mean. Okay, I absolutely don't like wearing shorts, but for some reason, I keep buying them. I keep buying them. So these are bubble hem, and I actually really like them a lot. ASOS, love them. Bralette top. The bralette top is Kai Collective. I have no idea what my plans are for this top, but I absolutely want to get over my fear of wearing shorts. So here we go. Or maybe we like the little Kai Collective show. Oh, wow, boom. Yeah. Oh, I might take this to Essence. I like this. That's like the little Kai Collective show. This is cute. I like it. Same bag. Yes. Love these shorts. Yeah, they are very good. Showing the little Kai Collective. I like these bubble hem shorts. I really enjoy these. Okay, these are kind of cute. I like them a lot. Show the little Kai Collective. Ew, ew, ew. Okay, bubble hem shorts, like it. Lots of volume, nothing too tight to my thigh. Okay, all right. Girl, me and butter yellow, we go together. Real bad. Okay, so what if we do the butter yellow oversized vibe? Okay, this is also from H&M. I'm telling y'all, them H&M drops, yo, they got me in a chokehold, but they got me for the last time with that Stella McCartney drop. Because the fact that y'all make it so difficult to return anything from one of those drops is crazy. It's wild. It's wild. You will be hearing from me. Okay, I don't even feel like doing this. Okay, but you know what I'm saying. I would just boom, boom, boom with the sleeves. Boom, 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 boom. A little boom, boom, little 1-2. This is a vibe. We can take it up a notch with sunglasses though. I just don't wear my London browns enough. Yeah. Summertime and Cape Cod. I probably would cinch this back here a little bit, maybe. No, just let it fall, maybe. Yeah, this is a vibe. Oh, I might wear this tomorrow. And I think the shirt reads a little bit more white in person, but it's not. It's butter yellow. Shorts are new, top is old. Bralette is new. Sunglasses are old. Okay, I got one more way to wear these shorts. Also, I sized up in the shorts because I need a little bit of length. Because these thighs, oh, they gonna eat up some shorts. They gonna eat up some shorts like a Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, mango vest. At first, I thought this was gonna give park ranger, but it's actually quite a vibe. Now, honestly, could wear it open. Could keep it open, but not gonna do that. Now, if I wear this to Essence, I'm keeping it open because it'd be hot. It'd be hot. There's chicken grease down there. Okay, but look, just go with me here. Just go with me, okay? All right, now, mango vest, okay? Well, what if OMG? Yeah, I like this a lot. Let's even bring this up a little bit further. Yeah, I like this a lot. But would I wear it with these sunglasses? Let's see. I most definitely don't wear London green ever. But look, I love it. I'm just trying to figure out, do I actually hate shorts or have I not found the right pair? Because I love these. Yes, so cute. Okay, another option for sunglasses. Copenhagen. How about it? Yeah. Oh yeah, literally Copenhagen goes with everything. Every single thing. I love this whole vibe. Oh, it looks like I'm going on a rich safari. Gullah Gullah Island. Didn't they make a horror movie about Gullah Gullah Island? Damn, black people can't have nothing. I do feel like though, I need a pair of like tie-up flat sandals or tie-up platform sandals. That would go really great with this. Like a suede brown pair. I think that would go really great with this, as well as other things in my wardrobe. These also don't give you as, I feel like bubble shorts are my jam, and it's no surprise because I love bubble pants, but these don't give you as much of a thigh wedgie in the summertime. You know what a thigh wedgie is when you're doing this all summer. All summer. Anybody got time for that? It's not attractive. Now my obsession with butter yellow continues because this meshki top is everything, and I knew it would go well with these gray trousers. Okay, and it has a side zipper, which I don't know if I absolutely love that, because what happens is it like buckles right here a little bit. But that's okay. Get that tag out of here. Also, I need help with this shirt in the back. Okay, so I can't button this shirt by myself. If you're single, you might want to rethink it. But this is so adorable. Let's get the ruching right. And if you thought I was ironing these pants for y'all, the answer was absolutely not. I wasn't. I wasn't. I don't like that these pants don't have pockets, but they are such a beautiful shape. So something new, something old. The pants are ASOS. The top is meshki. Use the size guide. I'm also wearing that Kai Collective bra underneath, so don't judge me. It just doesn't obviously go with this top. I love it, I love it. The ruching is great, but here we go with the, is that my fat or the zipper? I can't tell. Maybe it's the roll. Maybe it's my roll. I don't know. Is that my fat or is it the zipper? We don't know. But this is cropped also, just so you know. Like, it's super cropped. I love this. I keep wanting to put my hands in a pocket, but the pocket does not exist. The same bag, and it goes so perfectly with this. One could even do a pop of color with this. I think I might even wear this to dinner on Friday. I don't know, I really like it though. It's hard to get the real concept without it being buttoned in the back, but whatevs. Okay, you know what pisses me off? These things. Like, I understand why we need them, but I just get so tired of tucking them in like all day long. Also, what pisses, why do y'all do this? Why do y'all do this? Like, why do you need to put this long leash on my clothes? Oh, because I can't see if I really love it because you got a leash on here. Anyway. This top, look at it. This top was absolutely a splurge. It is from ASOS. And I can tuck in my bottom back roll easily. That bottom back roll, yeah, she's not seen in this top, which is why I love it. So good. I put it on with the Naked Wardrobe leggings, TTT. I was influenced by Ariel when it came to this top. It was a splurge, but absolutely worth it. You know why it was worth it? I'm gonna show you. See how I can tuck in that bottom back roll? Yeah. Love it. So good, so good. I'm actually wearing a size 10, so I think you can size down in this, but ASOS literally never ever misses. Okay, well that concludes our rapid fire haul, and if you loved any of this, let me know down in the comments so we can do this again.